Hello! The purpose of this video is to show you how to access online resources available to students through the Ontario School District. First, open a web browser and visit the Ontario School District website. The address is listed at the top of the screen, ontario.k12.or.us. Once here, select the Students tab. If you're accessing from a mobile device, you may need to scroll down. After clicking the Students tab, scroll down until you can see the link for the OSD Google Apps. Click this. Here, students will enter their username and password. Their username is their 6-digit ID number, their password is the letters OSD, and their 8-digit birth date. After entering this information, click Sign In. Once inside the OSD portal, students will see all of the curriculum resources they have access to. They'll see things like core curriculum, supplemental curriculum, as well as Google Apps such as Google Classroom and Google Hangouts. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.